This is a follow-up video to my HGTV Home 1750 PSI. Before, when I did my review, the Turbo Lance tool was not working. I contacted the manufacturer and they actually sent me out a free one, no questions asked. So I have that now. I've actually been cleaning the sidewalk, and it dawned on me I should probably let you guys know how it was going. So I will show you briefly how that works just as a follow-up, but I have already done all the way out to the curb there. You can see the difference here, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So that's the turbo tool. It's called a Turbo Lance. It came with my HGTV Home pressure washer, and it actually works really well, and I'm still loving this purchase.